One day, Thomas was on his way to High Farm when Rosie stopped beside him. Rosie was a cheerful, chirpy little tank engine. She was always pleased to meet Thomas. She liked him so much that she wanted to be just like him. So she tried to copy him. She tried to wish the way he did. She even tried to whistle like Thomas. It made Thomas cross. "Hello, Thomas," puffed Rosie brightly. "What are you doing?" "It's Alice's birthday," chuffed Thomas. "I want to get all her presents up to High Farm in good time." Just then, Harold the helicopter arrived.
"Another storm warning, I'm afraid,"
he shouted.
"High winds on the way and heavy rain."
Harold warned Thomas not to go up to High Farm.
"Heavy rain can cause landslides on that hilly route," he said.
And Harold flew away. Thomas didn't want to let Alice down. "High winds don't bother me," he puffed. "Or me," chuffed Rosie. "I'll come as your back engine." But Thomas didn't want Rosie to come. "No thank you, Rosie," he huffed firmly. "I'll manage on my own." And he chuffed quickly away. But Rosie liked Thomas very much, and she wanted to help him, so she chuffed cheekily.